Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. I help you beautify your home and yard, and man, I have fun doing it. Today we will be wrapping some arborvitaes, basically to winterize them, because arborvitaes can get very damaged by snow because it's so heavy. So stick around, I'll show you how to get this done. Oh, and I do have my son Shiloh here to help us. I'm so excited about that. Shiloh's helping me. And I use Burlap tree wrap. You can find this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to show you the ones that I use. See, arborvitaes can be very damaged by snow because of the way the branches grow. The branches grow straight up like this, and then if the snow catches them, it'll pull it down and that will bend. That will bend in the snow. So yes, you gotta keep those arborvitaes wrapped for winter, or else you will just have some damaged arborvitaes. When you first go up to the tree, you want to take a look at all the branches, see which ones look like would be damaged by some snow. So we'll grab this one, we'll pull it down. Yeah, we definitely want to get the top of that one. Usually at the bottom, it's just a bunch of little branches like these. You don't have to worry about those ones quite so much, just the bigger ones. So let's get this wrapped. So you have to use your best judgment as to how much of this burlap wrap you will need, because truthfully you don't need a whole ton. So what we're doing, go up and down 3 times, chop this off. You need to wrap the base of it around. It doesn't need to be tied. You kind of just loop it underneath itself a little bit to catch the end. So let's get that done. You just gotta think about a candy cane, because it loops around like a nice candy cane. Got it done. That was fairly simple. And guys, I have Shiloh helping me. This is so wonderful. Now that's a handsome boy. Look at him. He's so outstanding. My goodness. Pull on some of the branches and see if it's got all the big ones. Make sure there's none that are gonna get hurt. Okay, there's a small branch sticking out, so Shiloh's gonna rewrap it just a little bit down there at the base. Let's test the tree and look to see where the biggest pieces are. Got a little one there, got basically 3 big ones, and then down here, just a bunch of little ones. So, yep, let's start at the base. Oh, whoops.
Uh-oh.
Bummer. Dropped it. Are you getting all the pieces? Not really. Oh yeah, I'm getting big mud chunks.
That arborvitae is thick.
Heck, I'm struggling. Yep, we got it. Just gotta loop it probably twice will be ideal. But I'm gonna look over the tree and kind of pull the pieces, make sure we got all the big ones. There's a piece we missed.
Wow.
Well, I think I'm just gonna shove it under.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. We got all the big ones up top, so I think for the most part it's wrapped good enough. Okay, sweet. Well, we are all done wrapping. This is 11 arborvitaes. They're about 3 years old now. So I'm sure in the winter they'll be kept safe with these wraps. And then we'll just take them off in the springtime. Awesome. Minutes, that was great. Now I feel so much safer about my arborvitaes, and if that, or I should say when that snow comes, that they won't be damaged. Okay friends, well, we did that in 2 different settings because we actually ran out of the burlap, and that took us a total of, what, about 30 minutes, maybe 40.
Yeah, that didn't take super long.
Yeah, it is not a long procedure. Just got to make sure to do it to protect those arborvitaes in winter time. wrap it like a candy cane. So yeah, so remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.